Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x plus y equals to 13 and xy equals to 13. Let's provide solution very quickly to this question we have given right here. And of course you have to copy x plus y, which is equal to 13. We shall say that this is equation 1, and xy, which is equal to 13, we shall say that this is equation 2. And here, of course, we have to find x only, where x only, we shall find the value of x in terms of y, where x will be 13 minus y. And this is the value of x we have right here, and we shall say this is equation 3. And we have to say equation 3 plugging into equation 2, right? Of course, we have equation 2, which is xy, which is equal to 13, and of course x is equal to 13 minus y, which is 13 minus y, then times y will be 13, right? Then here y times 13 will be 13y minus y squared will be 13, and of course here we have 13y minus y squared, and the 13 will be negative 13, which is equal to 0 by multiplication of negative 1 on both sides. We shall say y squared minus 13y plus 13 will be 0. And of course this is a quadratic equation. You have to find a, which is equal to 1, b, which is equal to negative 13, and c, which is equal to 13. And here you have to find y 1 and 2, which is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac and over 2a. And of course this is negative b we have right here, that is 13 plus or minus square root of here 13 squared minus 4 times 1 times 13, right, over 2. Then this is equal to, of course, 13 plus or minus the square root of, right here we shall say 169 here minus 52, then over 2. This is equal to 13 plus or minus the square root of 117 over 2. And of course this is 13 plus or minus the square root of this 117 can be written as 9 times 13, then over 2. Then the final answer y1 and 2 will be 13 plus or minus 3 square root of 13 over 2. And of course y1 only will be 13 plus 3 square root of 13 over 2, whereas y2 will be 13 minus 3 square root of 13 over 2. And of course we are going to find x1. x1 will be here, that is 13 minus y1, which is this one. x1 will be here 13 minus, of course we have 13 plus 3 square root of 13 over 2. Of course this is 13 over 1 minus here we have 13 minus 3 square root of 13 over 2, and of course this is denominator of 2, We have 26 minus 13, that is but here I have plus 26 minus 13, that is 13, then minus this negative is going to multiply inside here to get 3 square root of 13, right? And of course this is x1, which is equal to 13 square root of 13 minus 3 square root of that 13 over 2. And of course this is opposite of this one. That's what we can say, that x2 can be the opposite of this. We have 13 plus 3 square root of 13 over 2 as the value of x1 and x2. And after finding this value of x and y, we can check if our answer is correct. Then here we have given x plus y, which is equal to 13, and xy, which is equal to 13. We are going to choose this one. Of course, we have x, which is 13 minus 3 square root of 13, right, over 2, then plus opposite of this 13 plus 3 square root of 13 over 2, which is equal to 13 question mark. And of course, because we have same base, same denominator, we shall add them to get 2 here. 13 minus 3 square root of 13 plus 13 plus 3 square root of 13, which is equal to 13. And this is question mark. We have 13, and here I have 2. 13 plus 13, that is 26. And this will be cancelled. 26 plus 0, which is equal to 13. And 26 divided by 2, that is 13, which is equal to 13. We can find x, y, which is equal to 13, whereas here we have 13 minus 3 square root of 13 here over 2 times, here we have 13 plus 3 square root of 13 over 2, and which is equal to 13. Of course, here down here we have 4, and this is difference of two squares, where we shall say 13 squared minus 3 square root of 13 squared, which is equal to 13. And of course, this is 169 minus 9 times 13 over 4, which is equal to 13. And of course, this is 169 minus here, this is 117 over 2, which is equal to 13. And of course, this is 52 at this stage over 4, which is equal to 13. And this is 13, which is equal to 13. To me, that the value of x we have seen, they are correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.